Want to hide your followers on your Snapchat public profile? I'll show you in 1 minute. Open Snapchat and tap your profile avatar in the top left. Scroll down to Public Profiles and tap your public profile card. Tap the three-dot menu or gear icon to open your public profile settings. Look for Privacy, Followers, or Visibility options inside Settings. Select Followers Visibility and choose Only Me or toggle Hide Followers. Confirm the change and close the Settings menu. Optionally, ask a friend or use a second account to view your public profile and verify followers are hidden. If you don't see these options, update Snapchat from the App Store and check again. Keep in mind, hiding followers keeps the list private, but your public snaps can still be visible. Quick recap: Profile, Public Profile, Settings, Followers Visibility, set to Only Me. Done. Thanks for watching. Quick Privacy, follow for more simple privacy tips.